Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are well, fine, safe inside your homes. So, now today we are going to start with chapter 1 in history, that is tracing changes through 1,000 years. I repeat, we are going to start with chapter 1 in history, that is tracing changes through 1,000 years. So, first of all, we will have some introduction. So, the you must have heard of map marking, map making. So, what is map making? The art of map making is called cartography. In the picture, also, you can see that map making is what? It is something which is done by us, that is humans. So, this is what map making is. The art of map making is called cartography. Now, in the earlier times, there was one Arab geographer, Al-Idrisi. So now the name of the Arab geographer was Al-Idrisi. He was considered to be one of the best map makers, that is the most precise maps were made by him. I repeat, the most accurate, the most precise maps were made by him. Made by whom? An Arab geographer, Al-Idrisi. So it was believed that his maps were so accurate that it worked till 3 centuries. So this is what? This is the art of map making called cartography. Next we have is sources. Now what were the actually sources during those times which were there in the past? So it was with the help of coins. You must have seen all the coins, that is in the earlier times 25 paisa coin also used to come. So likewise there were different coins. After that we had inscriptions. Now what are inscriptions? Inscriptions are the writings. Inscriptions are the writings, that is you can say manuscripts which are written by the hand, which is also a different point. Manuscripts are something which are already written by hand. Then we had textual records. Textual records, it means all the important notings were done in the form of a book, which was then referred as textual records. After that we had architecture, that is how things used to be, and how things used to fall at the place where which thing, how it will be located, that is what. Lastly we had inscriptions, as I mentioned. So these are the sources which you need to remember: coins, inscriptions, architecture, textual records, and manuscripts. Now we will study about the different innovations which had happened during that time. So I repeat, what are the different innovations that were actually there during those times? So that was about the Persian wheel. Now this is a type of technology which had developed during that time for irrigation purpose. So what is irrigation? When you are watering the plants with the help of a proper system which can help for the better equipment, that is what we call irrigation. So with the help of Persian wheel, irrigation was much better. So this is what? This is one of the innovations. Innovations means creativity, new ideas, better better advancement of technology is what we called innovation. So after Persian wheels irrigation, we had spinning wheel, that is weaving. Now in the picture also you can see that spinning wheel. So with the help of the spinning wheel machine technology, we had weaving very much easy and very much possible. So you can see the during those times the ladies used to have that spinning wheels and they used to weave. So this is what? This is again an example of innovation. After that we had new crops. So the production of new crops was also possible, say like potato, corn, chili, tea, coffee. So with the passage of time there were different innovations taking place: Persian wheel, spinning wheel, then production of new crops, potato, corn, chili, and all of it. So this was what we have studied in this part today, that is art of map making, which is called cartography. Then we studied sources, that is coins, inscriptions, then manuscripts, architecture, all of it. And lastly innovations: Persian wheel, spinning wheel, and new crops production. So that was it for today. I hope you have understood it well. Thank you and have a nice day.